Creating product ad posters that actually look premium is something a lot of beginners struggle with. But honestly, it's way easier than you think once you understand the right structure. And the best part is, you can build everything from scratch using just Canva. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to create a clean and professional product ad poster step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to design product ads that instantly look more polished and eye-catching. So let's jump right in. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click Create. From there, choose the size you want to use for your poster depending on where you plan to post it. Once you have your blank canvas, the first thing you want to focus on is your foreground. This includes the platform and visual elements that will highlight your product. For this example, we're going to create a simple cylinder platform for a skincare serum. To build that, you only need two shapes. Press R to add a rectangle, then press C to add a circle. Once both shapes are on your canvas, position them together to form a cylinder. After that, resize it and place it near the bottom of your canvas, since this will act as the base for your product. Now this is where things start to come together. Start applying colors. For the body of the cylinder, use your brand's primary color. Then take the circle on top and use the same color but adjust it to a slightly darker shade. For the background, use your secondary color or any light tone that complements your main color. Keep it subtle so your product stands out. Next, let's add some depth to make the design look more realistic. Head over to Elements and search for White Fade. Choose one, resize it to match the body of your cylinder, and place it between the body and the top shape. Then go back to Elements and search for a white circle shadow and place that on top of the platform to simulate lighting. Once your platform is done, when I first started using Canva, I used to just drag random elements onto the canvas and hope it looked good. Sometimes it worked, most of the time it didn't. I didn't really understand why some designs looked clean and others felt messy. It honestly felt like I was stuck, like I wasn't improving even though I was practicing. That's exactly why we created these beginner-friendly Canva assets. These are designed to help you level up your designs faster while actually understanding what you're doing. Instead of guessing, you start recognizing which elements work, what combinations look good, and what people usually use in real designs. So if you want to stop feeling lost, save time, and finally improve your design skills with confidence, just click the link in the pinned comment down below and start seeing results as soon as you receive your assets. Select everything and group it so it's easier to move around or duplicate if needed. Now you can start building the actual ad. Place your product right at the center of the platform, then add your product name, a short description, and a clear call to action. You can also include extra details like highlights or benefits to make the design more compelling. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a clean product ad poster from scratch using simple shapes, proper color choices, and a little bit of depth. In the next videos, we'll break down different styles and layouts you can use depending on your niche. So stay tuned if you want to level up your product design even more. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.